Hi guys, you going to see in this video JBL Bluetooth speaker Charge 5 unboxing and review. This is the cartoon of Charge 5 and we can see all the side of cartoon. All features are mentioned on the cartoon. Let's open and see what is included inside. Catalog and accessories box. It has included Type-C cable for charging. And multi-languages catalog. Let's take it out speaker. It's covered by comfortable bag. Wow, really it's very attractive and nice model. It has Type-C charging port. And it has USB charge out, so you can charge your mobile from here. The rubber line is fixed at the bottom to get grips. It's party boost button, up to 5 speakers you can pair together. Button for volume reduce, button for power, button for Bluetooth, button for volume, button for play and pause or track. And if you want to change the song, you can double click here. Let's turn on the speaker. This is charge level indicator. Now charge is full, that's why indicator light is complete. Speaker 40 watts RMS output. So 30 watts woofer plus 10 watts tweeter. Response output has 65 to 20k Hz. Test and waterproof IP67. Battery life 20 hours. 7500 mAh battery. It will support JBL Connect app. Bluetooth version 5.1. Dimension height, width, depth 22 into 9.6 into 9.4 centimeter. The speaker weight 960 grams. Okay guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like and share. If you have anything doubt, you can ask by comment. Still, if you did not subscribe this channel, please subscribe and press bell icon for you getting new uploading videos notifications. Thank you for watching.